Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share a little Christmas holiday haul with you. I've just been collecting all of this stuff for the last month or two, ever since Hobby Lobby started putting Christmas out. So I wanted to share that with you today in this video. So if you like hauls, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, because my next video is gonna be a real good one. You like my beautiful tree? I don't know. I'm not sure the lighting is great, but we're working with what we have today. But before I show you the Christmas stuff, I have two things I want to talk to you about. How cute is my hat? I live in Idaho, so this has a little Idaho on it. And I wanted to share this with you because I love Stephanie and I want to support her. And I've worn this hat today and I've gotten so many compliments. So it's so cute. But Stephanie has a YouTube channel here. I'll link her down below. She also has an Instagram. But her and I think her sister just opened up this little business to sell these hats and really cute sweatshirts. You can get whatever state you live in on it. But she sent this to me and I just wanted to share it with her. Share it with you guys. Her Instagram handle is the Home Base Boutique. So I'll leave that link below too. So check her out and give her some love. And then I got sent this. I don't know, I can't remember even what this place is called. The Thread Tank. And when they reached out to me, I was like, how freaking nice is this? And then they also offered to give away a shop credit of $40 to their store. I'm gonna have that posted on Instagram. So check back there in a couple days. But I wanted to open them up on camera because I'm so excited. And if you're a mom, and actually not even if you're a mom, they have all different kinds of sweatshirts, and they're really cute holiday ones and mom life ones and sports ones, and anyway, all the ones. But they also offered a 10% discount code. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave the code in the description box below. But let's see how cute these are. I love a good graphic tee. They're my favorite. So this one says, oh, that's cute. Mom life is the best life. How cute is that? It is a little cropped, but I think it'll be cute kind of knotted. So that's what that one looks like. And they might be kind of big. That's okay. I like oversized things. And then this one is a sweatshirt, like a really lightweight sweatshirt. And if you know me, this speaks to my soul. Running on Diet Coke and dry shampoo. If something was made for me, it would have been this. Look how cute that is. It's super soft too. Ooh, I can't wait to wear that. Anyway, if you need a cute graphic, check them out. I'll have everything in the description box below. I get nothing if you use the code, nothing. It's just for you guys if you want to check it out. Okay, moving on to all the Christmas stuff. Now, I'm going to start with Target first, I think. I picked up a few things. Everything is in front of me, so if I'm bending down, that is why. I got one of these cute little wreaths from the Target Dollar Spot. I love these. Love those. And then I picked up a few signs. I got the Milk and Cookies one. I got the candy cane one. And then the Mrs. Claus one. They're so cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Hopefully I can find a spot. But if I can't, even though they're $3, I'm going to take them back. So they're so cute. I have open shelves and a bunch of shelves. So I will find a place for them, I'm sure. Okay. And another couple things I got at Target were the Hearth and Hand towels. This one says Mary. This one says Joy. And this one says, this is like a gingerbread cookie one. These are my favorite towels ever. I buy them all the time. I actually got rid of all of my other ones and just used these because I love them. So I was glad that they had some for Christmas. And then another dollar spot thing I got was this table runner. I just think it's so cute. And it was $5. I think I'm gonna put this on my, not my kitchen table because I have another one for my kitchen table, but I think I might put this on the white buffet kind of table that I have. But love the pattern of that. And I also got these napkins from Target because I cannot find pillows that I love. So again, I'm gonna make some, and this is really cute, just white and red plaid. And then I got a couple ornaments. I got this box. I have these, I've had them for a couple of years, and last year I don't remember seeing them because I would have bought more for my bigger tree, but I got them this year, and I think that they're really cute. They're just kind of like mercury glass with clear, and they're so beautiful. And I think I'm just gonna do these with white accents this year and maybe a little bit of red. You'll see the red I have. But I also got a couple of these little, I don't know, they kind of feel like chenille wrapped snowflakes. They're really cute. So I got a couple of those. Actually, I got 5 of these, and I think they're darling. Let's see, moving on. And one last thing I got at Target is I picked up a couple of these twinkle lights because they twinkle, and I'm gonna make some things for my porch, and I thought those would look really cute in there. And let's see, I got a couple things at Hobby Lobby today, or not today, but I got one thing at Hobby Lobby today, and the rest of these I got a long time ago. But this is the table runner that I got for my table. It's really cute, and I just love the white with the red. It's like my favorite Christmas with green, not in this kind of green, like real green looking. So that is really cute. And another couple things I got at Hobby Lobby. I picked up a bunch of these today because I used them on a tree I decorated yesterday, and I just loved them. So to go with the birch logs that I also bought, that's what I went there for. I'm gonna make a really cute arrangement type thing for my porch, and I will share that with you when I do that. But these are really pretty. And then let's see, that's all I got from Hobby Lobby. And oh no, I take that back, I got these from Hobby Lobby too. They are a knit pillow. So here is one already put in a cover. Aren't these perfect for like the winter months? I just love them. So I picked up 3 of these for my couch, and then I also picked up this pillow from good old Walmart. I love it, and I love, like, this is kind of like, it's not bright white, it's a creamy white. And so I thought that if I made pillows from this, it would match so good, because I really love this pillow paired with that. So on one side it said Be Merry, and on the other side it's some stripes. This was only $10 at Walmart. Such a good deal. Okay, and then I went to Joann's today. I got this galvanized thing. It's not even Christmas. It's only $10, and I used my coupon. And then I got this giant pick. It was $7. It was, I mean, it was $14.99, half off $7. But it completely fills this. And I have an idea of what I'm going to do with this, and I will obviously show you later. And then I got like these little birch looking branches that I'm going to put in there with it. And I have another idea. And then I'm going to tie a bow on it. And I thought I have these, I got this little house to pair with this. I have like, I'm going to put it on my coffee table. So it's a little vignette. So I have that. And then I went to Vintage Market Days a month ago, I guess now. And I bought these little reindeer, if I can show you. They're so cute. This is the small one. It's just a really cute red, or not red, little cute reindeer. So I got a small one and a bigger one. And I'm gonna like make a little vignette with that cute little galvanized thing and these and that little house. And let's see, what else do I have to show you? Oh, hold on one second. The balls, I wanted to show you these. Okay, so when I said my Christmas tree was gonna be white with a little bit of red, I also got these little felt balls. This is a huge felt ball. I mean, if you can tell, it's like the size of my palm. And then I got these little stars, and they go perfectly with the little snowflake that I got. So we will see how that turns out. I'm not 100% sure because I feel like the ornaments are more glam, but that's what I like to do. I like to mix the like super sparkly glam with something like this to make it not so fancy, because I'm not fancy in any way. And I got one more sign from Joann's, but I got it weeks ago, so let me go grab that. This is the cute sign from Joann's. It was on sale for $12.99. It's darling. I layered it on a wreath, but I think I'm gonna put it in my kitchen, obviously, because it says holiday baking. But it's just super simple. I could tie some red ribbon on here or something, but love that so much. And I think, oh, I kept showing these. I got these from Michaels. They look real, and I got them to decorate a lantern with, so I will share that with you too. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. But I hope you guys liked this video. Tell me what your favorite thing in the description box below, or if you've bought something that you think I would love, leave that in the description box or the comments below too, because I want to check it out. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.